Namaskaram. My name is Karuna Garuda and I'm a dreamer. Ever since I was a child, there were three things that I really dreamt of. One being economics, writing and teaching. And I'm lucky to say all of them have come true. I'm originally from Hyderabad, India, but I'm currently living in France working as an English language assistant. While I graduated with a commerce degree from St. Francis Degree College, for over 2 years I found myself working as a creative writer for an online magazine and a production house called Rudramatsa Entertainment. Although my university experience has helped me to have a balanced perspective in terms of finances, people and life in general, on the other hand, writing helped me open my mind. It challenged me to realize my full potential that I never really thought was possible. I like discovering different academics and I like to compare different education systems in the world, and it's my hobby to notice the similarities, the differences and the methodology. In a way, I think the Egyptian education system is a little similar to the one in India, and it would be really great if I could get a hands-on experience with the Egyptian education system, be it in terms of the method of teaching or the student perspective towards education, the classroom structure, extracurricular activities and the syllabus too. So, and also it's important for me to understand the relationship between a student and a teacher, and I'm very keen on observing how the students are motivated and encouraged to study all over the world. My teaching experience in France has been quite a challenging one because it's very different from what we have in India. But of course I eventually found my way, and the students that I teach right now are aged between 11 to 16. So the level of English and is quite different from the other, and since we don't follow a specific book, I took the initiative to come up with my own lesson plans, and we work on different topics. We also work on grammar, speech, pronunciation and general knowledge too. And the reason why I include general knowledge in my classes is that it's very important that the students know what's happening around the world, and in a way it forces them to start thinking and give their opinion, and that's something that I really like. So in my class we do a lot of interactive sessions. As a kid, my mom always mentioned how badly she wanted to go to Egypt and see the Pyramid of Giza, and eventually this dream of hers became mine. Not just that, I also want to come to Egypt and discover the culture, which really interests me. So basically I want to club my interest and my passion together. Another thing for me wanting to come there as a teacher is because there are two reasons. One being that I want to introduce the kids a beautiful term called curiosity, and I'll get them to start thinking out of the box. And secondly, I would really like to motivate them and encourage them to discovering themselves and ask themselves what exactly they want. I think that's the best gift that a teacher can ever give. So I really hope that you enjoyed watching my video. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye bye.